Moo. We got cows.
Yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, it burns pretty good.
Look at that. What do y'all think? Beautiful.
Let's go.
Yo, pack it up, we hitting the road. I got a tent in the back, so we're ready to roll. Let the bad adventures begin to unfold. I got my crew packed in and they ready to go. From the ugly city lights to the starry skies, we're swapping concrete for a natural surprise. All the firewood stacked and the grill is hot. I'm getting so old, I forgot my cot. Campfire laughs, yeah, they feel the air. Underneath the constellations, no worries, no cares. From sunrise heights to moonlit nights, all the adventures.
Feels so right.
Kayaks on the lake with our paddles in sync. We're gliding through the water, got no time to think. We're sitting on the
Pretty cool table. Is this your first time using it?
Second.
Second? This is a nature hike table with a built-in butane grill burner. Oh yeah.
About 5 minutes on each side and see how it looks.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Oh, that looks pretty good right
Dang.
there.
Hell yeah.
Looks like that's gonna work.
That's perfect.
So I was thinking maybe 5 minutes, but I think just a couple of minutes is all we need.
Yeah, with that grill. Puts out a lot of heat. That
Yeah.
burner.
Yeah, it burned on that other side. Let's go right though.
It'll still go down the gullet just same.
I think it'd be alright.
You'll figure it out.
It'll match his mullet. Oh yeah, it burns pretty good, doesn't it?
Still edible.
So, I like eating charcoal. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the Hey, that's what I'm gonna sleep in tonight, that tinfoil. Like a tinfoil fluffy.
Sounds comfortable.
You do see him do it with the saran wrap?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, so that's seared.
Be a hell of a mess to clean up there.
Yeah.
Slice all that. Do you have a Bluetooth speaker?
I do.
Whoa.
I does. Oh yeah. It looks like round 2 did a lot better.
Oh yeah, much better.
Didn't stick or anything.
Yeah.
What's that green stuff?
I don't know. But the one before was kind of like eating that pie iron. Like, am I eating the pie iron or am I eating my sandwich?
That looks good, good, good.
Yeah, you gotta put some mouse turds on it.
Mm-hmm. Pastrami. What else is in there?
Hard salami and pastrami.
Yummy.
Pastrami.
Well,
Now I forgot my dang onions, man.
you're always forgetting something.
Key ingredient. Key ingredient.
My favorite sandwich at Potbelly's is their Italian.
Oh yeah. I love the Italian.
I'm curious what they look like.
All right, caramel.
Smelling good.
That's pretty cool.
There it be.
Oh, Matthew.
This is gonna be juicy.
Beautimus.
Wow.
Is that Bam?
No, that's
Sarah.
Matt Damon's
Oh, yeah.
cousin.
What was his name?
I don't remember.
It was weird.
Matt Damon's cousin.
Yeah, what was his name?
He was friends of the Jackass Boys.
Oh, God. Hold my beer.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be right back.
He looks just like Matt Damon, too.
Really?
Yeah. A lot like him. I can't remember his name. Though. He
Well,
had
you
some
know, I know
weird, dumb name.
Matt Damon's sidekick, Ben Affleck, his brother, Casey Affleck.
Yeah, he's a nut, too.
But he's a very good actor.
Yeah, he is.
Get that sticky BBQ salsa going.
That's fine job you're doing, there. It's fine time to lead me, Lucille.
Oh God, 400 children
And a crop in the field.
Some stood guff.
It's some stood guff, that's for show.
Stood guff.
Show enough.
It's gonna be about hot chocolate time pretty soon.
Give it a little flipski.
Yeah.
Ooh. I think it's ready.
Hell yeah.
What do y'all think? Well, what'd you guys bring for dinner?
Potato salad and beans.
I need a kniff. You got a knife I can use for the ribs?
Down,
There it is.
down the groove. Hell yeah.
Take this out.
That's so nifty.
Well, Mark, you'll just have to have ribs for breakfast. There's a fork for you.
Thank you. Man, those look good.
Mm-hmm.
They call me tater salad.
Tater salad.
Would you like some beans?
Oh, yes.
Come on over.
From the sound of it, I don't think it needs it.
Well, those two things don't correlate.
He's gonna have a hot tent tonight.
That's good.
Okay.
Thank you very
And
much.
Roll.
Oh, yeah. Man, we got the works. Thank you very much.
Moss.
Look at that.
One more?
That's it.
Okay.
Well. Ooh. Now that's camp food right there. Mm.
Oh, yeah. That's a banquet.
Dig into one of these ribs.
Okay, and I do have salt and pepper here if anybody needs it.
Oh, they're so tender.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
And you know what? Probably come in handy. Frickin' napkins.
They are under the plate. That big pile of plate behind the light.
Mm. What'd you think over there, Kelly?
Mmm. Delicious. Thank you.
Ribs deserve some napkins.
Thank you, thank you. Red Fox, you're missing out. I like this brown chair, it's pretty nice. Here we go.
I like the shell of that spring like you got.
I do too, right? It looks pretty neat.
Oh, I definitely got to get one too.
Well, everybody, I guess it's bedtime. Catch you in the morning. Good night. Well, it's about 1,000,000 degrees in this hot tent. I think it's not cold enough yet for one. Oh well. Good morning, everybody. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. It got down to about 40 degrees last night, but we stayed pretty warm. But we're going to get packed up and get ready to go. So just wanted to say thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.
Adios.
Bye.